Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the specific item's total condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the specific item's total option. Here, block if less than sets the minimum amount allowed, anything less will be blocked. And block if more than sets the maximum allowed, anything more will be blocked. For this example, we'll enter 500 in the block if less than field, so the order will be blocked if the specific item's total is less than $500. For this example, we'll use another condition called products, because we want to apply the specific item's total restriction to specific products. The specific item's total condition refers to the total value of items from specific collections, product tags, products, or variants. In this example, we'll use specific products. Now click Add a New Condition. Once again, select Products and add your desired products. You can add multiple products as well. For this example, we'll add 2 items, Wooden Spin and Black Bear. Now you'll need to give your rule a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set a proper message. This message will appear when the rule is triggered, so make sure it's simple and helpful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's add Wooden Spin and Black Bear to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because the total value of Wooden Spin and Black Bear is less than $500. Now let's increase the quantity of Wooden Spin so that the total value of these 2 items exceeds the $500 restriction. Let's head over to the checkout page and take a look again. As expected, the error message is gone, because we've now met the minimum $500 requirement for the Wooden Spin and Black Bear items. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!